Hi everyone, welcome to this video. If you like this video, then please hit like button. Today we are going to do unboxing for wall clipper. So this particular clipper is specially designed for home uses, so you can cut your or trim your hairs or do your hairstyle in home. So before doing unboxing, we'll see what are the features are mentioned on this box. So very first feature is self-sharpening high carbon steel blades. Okay, so these are self-sharpening means whenever you use your clipper, the blade gets sharpened. Then next is tapper control. This tapper control gives precision of 0.5, means if you there is one lever, if you push this lever up and down, the blades moves by 0.5. Then the durability of this clipper is very good because it is made of with high quality plastic. Then it has a variety of guide comms included in this box. So we'll see the details for these glides in few minutes. Okay, so then if you see on the right side, then there is you will be getting one pouch inside this, so that you can store all your accessories and trimmer inside one pouch and you can easily carry it. Then let's talk about this guide comms where the basically the clipper is 0.0 mm, and after that if you want to use this comms, then you can add these many comms. Okay, so basically you will be getting from 3 mm to 25 mm length guides. So it has 3 mm, 6 mm, 10 mm guides. Those are shorter lengths. Then you'll be having medium lengths, that is 13 mm and 16 mm. Then you are having longer lengths, so 19, 20, 22 and 25. So yeah, so these are the guides. Then yeah, so basically they are mentioned here the pouch. Then you'll be getting one scissor and one comb. Then the guides. Then you'll be having one cleaning brush, and along with that you'll be having the oil. So even before using for the first time, you have to use this oil. So using this oil, you'll be having this clipper in good condition. So now, and this side, if you see, product details are there, what are the components are in this box. So you can see there is one clipper, then one comb, one scissor, then 8 attachments comb, that is guide combs. Then you have one self cleaning brush, and then one manual and warranty card. So now we can just unbox this and let's see what is inside. So even box packaging is very good. So yeah, you will get this one pouch. Everything is inside, it seems. So we'll open this. Okay, so very first paper is this is proof of purchase and warranty card. So if you want to utilize warranty, you should have this with you. And this clipper basically comes with 2 years warranty, so you can keep this warranty card in safe place, so later you can use it for warranty. Then this is basically manual, where they have mentioned how to use this clipper. So yeah, they have mentioned everything inside this clipper, information about your clipper, so you can read this later. Yeah, then this is comms. Then this is scissor. So we'll see what is inside this comb. So this is basically oil and cleaning brush. This is comb. Then these are different sizes of guide combs. So if you want to do hairstyle in different ways, then you can use these combs actually. Then yeah, so there are total 11 attachments you can use with this clipper, and the quality of plastic is also good. So just open this and I'll keep it here. Now let's see what is there inside this one. So I'll keep this pouch aside. This clipper is very heavy, so this has very good quality actually. And yeah, this is a nice cable. It comes with 1.5 meter of length, so it's good length. And so this is safeguard, means it will save your blades from hurting you. And they have mentioned here oil blades before using. So when you're before using, you have to use the oil on the blade. So I'll just remove this. I'll keep it here. So basically now if you see, it comes with white and black color. Some part of this body is matte finish and some are glossy, so the grip is also very good actually. So yeah, that's good part of it. And then you are having switch on and switch off button. So it is, yeah, this is also nice button, so easily you can switch on and switch off. Then this is control lever, right? So this will move 0.5 up and down. If you want, then you can just move it. So basically this guide comes with 1 mm, so, and then 2 mm, 3 mm like that. But if you want to have 1.5 mm, then you have to use this this lever, so that easily you can make 1.5 as well. So this is very good feature actually. Yeah, this blade is made up of stainless steel. So yeah, this is all about this clipper. And even if you see the weight, it is somewhere around 350 to 400 grams. So yeah, so this all comes with this clipper, and this is very good for home haircut, so you can do it by your own. So thank you for watching this video.